and welcome to today's edition of our training. Today happens to be our first day into this video and animation training. So today what we'll be doing is whiteboard animation. And whiteboard animation basically is just our presentation of write up, or better still, more or less like slides that we can use to present with music and in fact with many appearances. Are you okay? Good. So let's move straight to our Binimi. This is my Binimi. Okay. Now, as you can see, these are videos that I've, animations that I've created. Are you okay? Good. The first thing that I need to do is to tap on my plus. Are you okay? On the plus, and then it will come this way. Name your movie. I want to name it as Training 1. Are you okay? In fact, some of the Binimi are when there is space, it will not save. Are you okay? So you're supposed not to leave any space in naming it. Then you put create movie. Something like this will appear. Okay, so here I'm going to introduce the features to you. Here you have stickers. When you tap on it, you see a lot of stickers. You have text here. You have background. You have hand. You have music. Are you okay? So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the text. When you tap on text, something like this will come. And then I'll put introduction. Let me put introduction. Okay, good. Then I'll insert it. I'll use my hand. Just use your hand to drag it this way to the top and align it very well. Are you okay? Align it very well. Okay, good. So now this is my introduction. This is a heading, so the heading can be bold. In fact, from here you see another set of features here. You see something like this A. You see this one. You see 100. For these ones, I know that you know them very well. For these ones, I know you know them very well because these are alignments. Are you okay? These are alignment. Left alignment, right alignment, center alignment. Okay. Now there's another thing that is like a pencil. That one, when you tap on it, that one is when you tap on it, you want to edit a text, and the mark, that one is all. When you mark it all, when you edit and finish, you mark it all. Now after that one, you come and check these things. We have something here we call delay. Delay. Are you okay? Good. The delay basically talks about how long you want the text to stay before it comes on the screen. Are you okay? Now we have another one called duration. The duration talks about how long do you want it to take to write the text. Are you okay? Good. And the pause. The pause talks about how long do you want the text to stay on the screen before it vanishes. Are you okay? Good. Now when I put my this text, if I don't want it this way, all I need to do is just to tap on this AA. This AA would send me to different fonts. These are fonts that you can use. These are fonts that you can use. So you choose any font you want, but make sure that it's clear. Now let's assume that I don't also want it to be 100. I want to reduce the size. I can reduce the size by changing it to what? You see that now it is 92. You see that the text is reducing. It is reducing. Are you okay? Good. So I want it 100. Okay, that is how it is. I want it 100. Now I want it to be center aligned. This one here is already, because it's one line, you cannot center align it. Okay, now I'll mark it. Now I want the delay. The delay, I don't want to put any delay there. I want when I just play, it will just be playing. Are you okay? Good. So I'll put the duration 2 seconds, and I'll put the pause only 1 second, and then I will mark it. The next thing, if I want to add any text, I will tap on text again, and it will come like this. Introduction. Good. Let's assume that maybe you are writing something. Let's just type something. I wish to draw your attention to the recent misbehavior of some students in the home economics department. department. Okay, let's insert it this way. Now you have inserted it this way. Now the this one, the size should not be like the heading. So you reduce the size small. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. In fact, reduce the size. Reduce the size. You can reduce it to 80. Okay, this is 80. Then you reduce you change the font. Tap and you change the font. You can put it as Love, or you can put it as, let's say, Adamina. Are you okay? This one is more or less like Times New Roman in the computer. Okay, so now you see something here. In fact, this thing is used to resize the text. Are you okay? That line with that red dot, no, is used to resize the text. It's used to resize the text. Now observe, if I should pull it this way, you see that it resizes the text very well. Are you okay? Good. Now if I want to do this way, and then I'll shift it, and then I'll place it well, and then I'll just tap anywhere on the screen, and then it will go. Now I want to add another text. Good. Now this misbehavior was triggered by the recent increment of the school fees that was not communicated to the student body. Okay, good. Now let's insert this one as well. But you need to also remember that this one will just be almost the same as the other text that you put there. You tap anywhere. Are you okay? Now come and tap on the first one. I mean, when I say the first one, I mean this. Tap on that one. Then you check the delay. Don't put any delay, please. Don't put any delay. The duration, change the duration to 8 seconds. Then change the pause to 2 seconds, so that all will be 10 seconds. Then this one, change the delay, the duration to 8 seconds. Then you change the pause to 2 seconds. Are you okay? Then you mark it. After marking it, you can play your video to see. This is where you can tap to play your video. Here, when you tap here, you play it to see how it is. Okay, let's play it. Okay. Okay. Good. You see how it is. That is how it is. Now, if I want to add a text, if I want to add a page, observe here. If I want to add a page, there is something here that will have it plus. So I'll just tap on that page. I will tap on add page. You see that another page has come, page 2. So now I will just continue. I will continue. And I will tap on text. And I will continue. Let's say the report from the investigative team indicates that the students were right by registering their displeasure displeasure to administration. However, some of the students who willingly involved in the violence have let's put it to face the school's disciplinary committee for further investigations or for further investigation. Okay, good. Now insert it this way. That is perfect. Now you increase the, this text is lengthy, so you make the duration 10. Just make it 10, and you make the delay 3. Are you okay? Make the duration 10 and make the delay 3 and mark it. Are you okay? Now you can play your video, or better still, when you want to end it, you can just add a text and you say thank you. Okay, so this is just an example. You can add anything that you like, if at all that is what you will be writing. Okay, so mark it this way, and then you play your text or your video. Okay, you see how it is nice. Okay, let's assume that I want to change a hand. I don't want the hand to be like this, so I'll just tap on hand here, and there are plenty hands here. So let's assume that I want to use the real pen. So this is the real pen. Then I'll like this. Okay. That is perfect. Okay. Okay. So that is how it is. Very simple. Okay. So this is what you'll be doing for today. Just use your Binimi app, and then you create something like this. 2 pages. Create only 2 pages. Are you okay? Create only 2 pages. Just follow the steps that I use, and then you create something like this. Your text may not be exactly what I have written, but at least it should be something relatable, and then it should be something concerning education. Okay, now let's assume that I want to add music. If I want to add music, I'll just go to music here. Then I'll go to what? Tracks. Okay, it will stop my music. Well, I have music here, so I'll just Boomba by Flame Boy. I'll add it. Let me stop this my music, and I'll play that one for you to hear. Okay, now let me play it. So now let me play it with that. You see? Okay. Okay. Now let's assume that let's assume that this is how I want it. So I will reduce the volume small. Don't use all the volume. Reduce the volume small. Are you okay? And then you play it. You see how it is? Okay, so that is how it is. And this one too here. This one, if you want to add a voice over, you want to add your own voice, you use this. Are you okay? If you want to add your own voice, you also use. And see whether my video is there. Now, yes, it should be here. Yes, training one. Okay. In fact, it is here. That is how it is. That is how it is. Yes, so that is how it is. You are going to do something like this and then you send it tomorrow as an assignment and then I will assess it. Okay. If there is nothing, wish you the best. Peace out. Bye.